Jabo represents the Interior Football Club, one of the many clubs pushing for a resolution distancing themselves from the decision to suspend the 4 GFF top elected officials.
If we want to move forward and we want to develop Gambian football, there are some individual differences and some grievances we have to drop ahead. At this point in time, what we experienced 2 years ago, if we want to go back to that situation, when are we going to stabilize our football? When are we going to be continuously normalizing? When are we going to stabilize our football? If there is a problem, CAF suspended Gambia for 2 years, and you want to create a bigger problem to be suspended by FIFA, and where we are benefiting a lot from FIFA. Are we looking for our individual interests, or we are trying to look at the interests of the nation?
This is said to be another contentious period in Gambian football, unless some form of compromise is reached.
It is important we sit as key stakeholders here and try to put heads together in order to avert what may be an unfortunate situation for our football. We witnessed the previous speakers talk about the former suspension that led to about 18 months of the normalization process. Actually, there was normalization. That's why when the FIFA performance team came here, they rated the Gambia Football Federation Executive and the Gambia Football Federation as one of the best out of 42 countries in Africa. That means there is credit to normalization. And if anything that should come to put us again in such a similar unfortunate situation, this time around, I would not call that normalization, but rather denormalization, which it will be very unfortunate.
With stakeholders contesting a decision they refer to as unconstitutional, and one that they say can only serve to draw Gambian football into another mire. The signs are that we are nowhere near a swift and decisive resolution of the impasse. For JRT Sport, this is Babukar Sengon.
And before we take leave of you, a quick reminder of the day's top stories. Renowned Jamaican artists staging performances during the 11th edition of the International Roots Homecoming Festival have arrived in the Gambia ahead of Sunday's grand opening. Efforts to roll back malaria in the Gambia are gathering pace as government partnered with the Catholic Relief Service to launch the second distribution campaign of more than 1 million insecticide-treated bed nets. President Vladimir Putin has presided over celebrations marking Soviet victory over Nazi Germany, a day after Russia shocked the world with an impressive display of military hardware. Leaders of the warring factions in South Sudan are holding talks in Addis Ababa to negotiate an end to the civil war that claimed thousands of lives. And international teams have been jetting into Nigeria to aid in the search for more than 200 schoolgirls seized by the Boko Haram militant group since April 14. Well, that was all in this edition of the news from me, Winifred Nicole Hodibat, and the rest of the team. Thanks for the pleasure of your company. Do stay tuned and enjoy a range of interesting programs.
muy kam mambu jollor di kajikar rajade television ti Gambia woli kok de safu de programme ti kamiko jamat ja di kamiko jamat pu tablu ajabru ngandu manjum me pa mi kula makana mi ka sonte nor sutu di ko sekak yoyde di ko dine ba di ko sekak fam mangale ne banto fam manjupoy di kamiko sumudo kati kilak o yedi ajabru pu baja bare wa bajo mi yasinji ba pari ngeno la
Jat diwa bajo min President se Professor Dr. Alhaji Yahya Jammeh na wonken buka kami kapana kete tinget bagamab na nembukurok dima John dima Lillo bampo kurok na mofa molim kulima ke asanke nunkom di karesa kola oinom Vice President Madam Aissatou Njie Sedi nan maminan kulake ka wonken buka na buku manku nampor di kutinga ke bagamab kawolo kan mami ku gabunten ke buka kakarami luwai de mufumeti Gambia fujaja fe kankam fo tankone mi High Court yeti Gambia mbatan ku tinge bagama Banjul President Jammeh na wonken buke kammi etinge bagama nani be kujuk fangi me fu juma folil fu baba fuko di bukana be buraka bolil bampo kapana ke batinga beti bagama nani bu kujundi fu jum di kateben kapana ke ka sumay ka poyak di eja fotuleti mofam na sanken di wana mangmi bukana ko manko ngolen ku somen di kapana ke tinge bagama yan mampe ka watte boye bampo nani kujuk metiko etinge bagama kam burung ban mami bukana panku wolo di po bukana panku mang di manku jetu mukanam molil bampo nane mbiri bot di mukanam eti mofam Anthony General Bayeno Minister jumbi ya kaparakete tinge bagama Mama Fatima Singate ngame buke kawalomi nane bukukan tu manku poi kaita kolil wanku isenimi di kaparaketi kagorora di karesakete tinge bagama bampo nasal President Jammeh karambe na buke tanku karangem luwai Chief Justice Mankone Mambel Ajmai opona gamen buke kawalomi nane bukukan tu manku John di broka bolil bampo kungabangan badmam fujuma foli pampu tebe mukana metiluwai Director General Anthony di tanku karangemi am siluwas dede umankoni mi Justice Raymond Shock nane kakaranga keti luwai nane ude mbakaram ngien tanku karangem luwai nane yo ba wonkene bukanak mufometi tengire saka Afrika yan mami yo nganga kare sakoli kulebien di kafana ke kakaranga keti luwai dede an kulebien mi di kakara kasanke nauke funafukila o Aida Drame na gamen nane kulebien di kafana keti luwai bampo mbi kurok na manchengu meno puto jat a député unkulaw an kumukenumi mufameti fonyi jarol di arabay ku bateno baten fu joj fanko kane di kalimsa ke ku député to Banjul Honorable Alaji Sankung Jammeh nanga kabatak kammi di officer di kulle yandomi abatenomi oinomi ume Anthony Clark National Assembly mba kalimsa ke ku député ku mankonem dudu CM Kebe ku député po ku lankumangen di bagodi banku sene bari nge million soni kabanan unyendi yekon bagodo beti $, barmami ku sensen manosani wa walleni di kapana keti kurangay si programa sanam porntom di kapana kollal babe Banjul manku ngolen ku jumen projetewe ka sayom kone mi kafa yeti mo fameti Africa bambala rabu mem buke kan kone power pool nana ke nen kurima ko di tabule dan linku député ak ministre jummi ka pana keti funomaf uman konomi Abdou Koli nane bagodo be banku sennya boyno manku unkulen dis generators di pop ngolen ku nom si machine waynom nang essence di waxaw kena manku ngolen ku manjenor pok roka Koli keti nawek di broka bolim amangumi kurima ke oynam arungum ka fam manku jupe kalim sake ku député honorable Faba Kari Tombong Jata ba oynam a député eti Serekunda Bambura bumem ne yise nane a député unkula ankumu Kenya nane pankuram meno banko bobolen ka bola na sal a ministaw di manangole mabaj de nyes fu nyes bagodi bari ngena ube de ngarubo di wati ume oyna ma dibitaw eti foni berefet honorable Bintanding Jaju opona sanken nane di kapino rakan mami ko man sakunda kommi di kaluor kapana keti am fu bajaf mam fu ngolem fu nokenu dede bampo furunga falenga na fe President Jammeh nane fo chimni ngonu somenam kane mane na ume almami an kumukenum kalimsa ke ku député honorable Sidi Njie na sasal di mukana me di mana wankum mele to ngonu somenal e jow focul kapana ke fulaka follal di fu bajaf tendi ubajita kapana ke kurange yan mam kana pan ngolen ku somen di popan ngolen ku bajbutuma boliyam ala masanken nampoto arungum ka famman ku titiye kalimsa ke ku député ban a député eti nyamina dankunku honorable Samba Diallo o di Lamin ke Jammeh eti Ilyasa ko burom di a député eti nyomi fatena honorable Mam Chorno Diallo ko burom ku wonke nane ko ne bukanam ku kantu manku chokor bagodobe banku seninya de Malilo puto jat di kamanjenor wajollenum si kafas broka bolil ban man bu jollen di kapana keti furia man famman tiene ngon nu somena fo di masetam fu jojo fe ku bambam fo banka wonkenum fam kono mi kafa jummi be ka luwen tekon wono son wa ngole mu tebo di kapana keti furia ngon nu somena fo of se jummi di kapana keti funoma fu jojo fe fo wonkel lo wonken bu ka karungu mi displace solil kaynam nam broka beti ba jangatab kaswe di pov benay di map kam ngonu somena dede di pon ngonu bonya be di marsa iti tenyi sikafa se kam niko ko kula komi di lokunge uye na mana chika oleli ay senoli mi eno project we nampo dis project sa jupe sanwami sanku jumene